But we're all Rhodesians and we'll fight through thick and thin. We'll keep our land a free land, stop the enemy coming in. We'll keep them north of the Zambezi till that river's running dry. And this mighty land will prosper, for Rhodesians never die. They can send their men to murder, they can shout their words of hate, but the cost of keeping this land free can never be too great. For our men and boys are fighting for the things that they hold dear, and this land and all its people will never disappear. 'Cause
something or someone has disturbed them. The acacia tree bleeds with flashes of yellow plumage, and the angry chit-chittings as the weaver birds abandon their nests. Globes of woven grass dangle and dance on the tips of the branches. They dance like Christmas baubles, while the birds dart, flitter, and flee. Dad always says, listen to the birds. If you can hear birdsong, you're alone. You're safe. If you can't, you aren't. Chances are there are terrorists around. It is silent. I push down harder on the pedals. My bike bumps along the strip of dirt, which snakes through the bush like a red serpent, striking at my sister's back wheel. Listen to the birds. The words still beat in my head. I look. Nothing. Then movement on the rocky outcrop. Ahead to the right. A man crouches, down like a gecko, blending into the rock. He watches us. "Louise!" I hiss. Louise rides slowly as the path is narrowed and is pocked with tufts of grass and rock. She turns and sticks out her tongue at me. I pedal fast. Saddle squeaks. Wheels spin. "Louise, Tangera Imbwa!" It means, beware of the dog, and is our code for an emergency. Louise stops her bike and looks round. The man stands up. He carries a rifle and is dressed in camouflage. A rifle that isn't an FN, and camouflage we don't recognise. "Go, man, go!" I scream. I crash into the back of her bike. The man is climbing down the rocks. "Shit, it's a tur! He's wearing sunglasses!" shouts Louise.